Greenhouse gases like methane derivatives and carbon dioxide will produce some health diseases because of the tropospheric warming effects. Now, the health effects are because the entire earth as well as the living beings act as the carbon sink. And the different organs affected. First one is the brain itself. Because millions of years back, the human brain developed thermostasis. Thermostasis means the homeostasis or balance, which means a balance between the internal and external milieu, the internal atmosphere and the external atmosphere. Only when this happened, the Homo sapiens, that is the human beings of the present race, they became the intelligent beings as we see now. Now, if that thermostasis is lost or that homeostasis is lost, our intellectual level, our emotional level, everything will be lost. So, this one is a very important effect for our brain. The second one is because of the ozone hole in the southern part. It can produce different types of skin disorders, including skin cancer. The skin cancer has been actually documented in several parts of the world, like Chile, then New Zealand, like Tasmania. In those areas they have already recorded. So also about malignant melanoma. Malignant melanoma is a special type of skin cancer. That one also has increased. 25 years back it was only 1 in 250 incidents. Now it has become 1 in 84. That means the increase in skin cancer, different types of skin cancer has changed. And another thing is the repair enzymes. All the skin cells, we have got a special repair enzyme. So that even if the ultraviolet rays affect our skin cells, these repair enzymes will repair it and get back to the normalcy. But when there is an increased global warming, when there is increased ultraviolet rays of the sun, these repair enzymes will be lost. So those people who are prone to have xeroderma pigmentosum, which is a genetic disorder, those people will definitely get cancer of the skin. So that thing is a great danger. That is why the incidence is increasing. Then the third thing is our immune system. Immune system is the system which prevents diseases. So immune system imbalance will lead our body to be prone to different types of diseases. And similarly, different types of microorganisms, new microorganisms will be made because of the genetic mutation, etc. And we won't have any immune mechanism against them, so that new disorders will come up. And we don't have any immune status to that. Then another thing is the eye. You know, eye is, to the ultraviolet rays, the eye react and we may lose sight, especially development of cataract in the young age. Cataract is usually an age of the old people, but it will appear even earlier, young age itself. So that one also is a problem that can occur due to this extensive global warming and increased heat around. Then the next thing is the nutritional problem. You know, our ecosystem will change. The monsoon winds, they have got a very clockwork mechanism. They come at the correct moment and they give the correct amount of rain, and the tropical rainforest give us food, and our ecosystem will be endangered. The tsunamis, the other types of natural calamities, they will increase, and our agriculture will suffer, food production will suffer. This will make a food insufficiency. So that naturally produce nutritional insufficiency. Again, it further the immune imbalance. In this way, a vicious circle will be created. This is part of the ecosystem or food cycle. Rain, that is Mara, Varsham, we call it Varsham. Mara, then Annam, that is food. Varsham, Annam. Then from Annam or food, we get all the faculties, including our brain, our other structures, everything has to be kept in balance only through that. So all these things will be changed. One example is that the change in climate has produced this year in Kerala itself, in Mudalamada area, you have probably heard of the mango trees flowering out of time and without any product. Now this is actually because the timing of the small insects which do cross-pollination of the flowers and the flowering season have varied because of the climate change. Not because the plants did not flower, they flowered, but the insects' breeding time had changed. So this thing can happen because of the irregularities in genetic makeup of the organisms. All these problems happen, and for these things each and every one of us should be aware of the thing, and we should protect nature, that's all.